What's good, guys? Today's the day. We're going to pick up the car from Zach's shop. Hopefully everything is going good. And on the way back, I'm going to try to give you guys a POV drive. So I'll let you know when we're there. Here we are.
Dang, it looks like he got more. Is that more Mustangs?
Yeah, it's just one more. It's a blown up 5.0.
That some one was here?
Yeah. Oh, that's his dad's.
Oh, wow.
That's nice. There goes Anubis right there.
Look at that. Look at that. What's this?
That's the head-off hole. And it was just, that piece would have gone off the exhaust like it's supposed to. It was just a ground electrode. I don't know what he did with it. He saved it in the bag. It's stuck on, well, actually it's stuck on the head. But you can see that's your ground electrode for the...
You can barely see it.
Yeah, for the spark plug. Yeah.
That's crazy.
And it was like, you know, this, you see where it's kind of getting it was stuck in the head. And the thing is, if it was stuck in the head, like over where the valves are, where it's deeper.
Hold on, Trey.
That capper was that.
Yeah.
But it was like a... Yes.
So Ken just told us that it was an exhaust leak the whole time. We knew.
His phone was started, so it wasn't...
Oh man, that's crazy. That's what JW said right from the beginning.
What they usually use from the factory is the multi-layer steel. But you can see how that's got carbon and carbon. It actually split right there.
Oh wow.
And that's where the exhaust was coming.
Right,
Wow,
right there.
Yeah, it just...
Because it wasn't even like a loud, super loud.
Yeah, we couldn't figure out what the ticking sound was.
Yeah.
Man. Oh man. All right, Trey's got Anubis back. This is how he gets your footage. We don't do no GoPros yet because they gotta sponsor us for us to do GoPros. Yeah, go ahead, Craig. The crazy part is, you hear that? No ticking. There's no ticking. No more ticking. No ticking, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the car, all right? I think Trey's phone might have died, which is maybe why we need a GoPro. But he should be coming around the corner any second now with Anubis. Probably hear it coming up the street. He's super excited to have his car back. He's even acting like a different person again. It's like he lost a part of his soul. How you feel?